How do you make money fast in the spa business without any capital required?
Hey Tom, it's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. First I want to say congratulations on your YouTube channel. Everybody needs to follow your YouTube channel. So what everyone needs to do is subscribe to Tom Pang. Great guy, great person. Tom, keep up the great work.
You know, being a minor celebrity, I get a lot of questions on Yellow, Facebook, however ways people can find me. So I get a lot of questions about business, and one of the questions that I tend to get a lot is, Tom, I'm doing a spa business. I have a spa on this street and so on, and I'm not making any money. How can you help me? Is there any suggestions or ideas that maybe you can provide me with? Yes, you just have to think about a different business model, right? Because there's a lot of spas operating in Ho Chi Minh City and Vietnam. And first of all, I would say that I would never get into the spa business myself because I mean it's just such a small business. I have no interest in that. But if I, Tom Pang, is going to get into the beauty spa business, this is how I would do it. I would change the business model. I would not do the same way like everybody else, okay? This is what I would do. Let's say it takes about 2T in investment to start a spa at a retail location, all right? Let's say it takes 2T. What I would do is I would get 100 investors. So each investor would put in about, let's say, $100 million. Okay, that's not a lot of money. That's about $5,000, $100 million. Each investor putting $100 million. But what do they get? The investors would get $120 million worth of credit that they can use at the store. They can come to the spa every week and get service, for example. Also, the investors, when they use service inside the spa, they will get 20% off. As long as they are the founding investors, they would get 20% off any service in the spa. Also, if the investor bring in new customers into the store, they would get 20% referral commission. So if they bring in a customer and the customer pay money in the store, then the investor will get 20% referral commission on whatever the customer spend on. And additionally, every 5 customers the investor bring in, they will get an additional $100 million credit in the store. This is how I would operate a spa business. So basically, I solve the problem of capital. I have 100 investors giving me $100 million each, giving me enough money to start the spa. And also, my investors are gonna go out there and look for customers for me. So I have solved 2 problems, capital and customer acquisition. It does not mean that the service in the spa is going to be shit. You still have to maintain a high level of service, high quality service in order to make the business viable. But you see, I'm not actually making money on providing the service in the spa. I'm making money through my investors and through their customer acquisition. That would be my business model if I were to open a spa, but I would not. So take some fucking action. Consider your business model. How can you modify and pivot your business model to enable you to make more money? Take some fucking action and don't be a fucktard.